video we will see how to find the A inverse of any given matrix. So I have taken a 3 cross 3 matrix A. So the inverse of any given matrix is actually given by formula adjoint of A divided by a determinant of A. Okay, adjoint of A divided by a determinant of A. So first what we do, we will try to find out what is the determinant of A. So determinant of A, as usual, what we did in the previous video while discussing about the properties of determinants, we will do that. So 1 into 5 3s are 15 minus 6 into 1 is 6 minus 2 into 4 3s are 12 minus 6 into 2 is 12 plus 3 into 4 into 1 is 4 minus 5 into 2 is 10. So this will be equal to 15 minus 6 is 9, 12 minus 12 is 0, so 0 into 2 is 0, plus 3 into 4 minus 10, so 4 minus 10 is minus 6 into 3, which is minus 18. Okay, so I will say it is minus 18. So 9 minus 18, so determinant of A will be equal to minus 9. So this is what the value of determinant of this particular matrix is given. Now adjoint of A, how to find out adjoint of A? The adjoint of A is been found by the cofactor matrix. We will see how to find out that cofactors matrix. Okay, so let me see, it's not just a cofactor matrix. We will try to find out the adjoint of A by having a cofactor matrix. First of all, what we do, we will take the transpose of the matrix A. The first thing what we do to find out the adjoint of A is we take the transpose of the given matrix A, which is equal to 1 4 2 2 5 1 3 6 3. This is the transpose of the given matrix A. Now by keeping this transposed matrix, okay, I will just rewrite the transpose of the matrix A, which is equal to 1 4 2 2 5 1 3 6 3. This is the transpose of the given matrix A. Now I will write all the minors here. Okay, minors in the sense the cofactors what we consider while taking the determinants of the given matrix. Okay, so minor, what is that? Minors of all the elements in the given matrix. So let me say M1 would be equal to M11, sorry, because the minor M11 will be the minor in terms of this one. Again M12 will be in terms of this 4. Similarly M13 will be in terms of this 2. Okay, and then M21 will be equal to in terms of this 2. Okay, so we will see how to find out this minors of the given matrix. Okay, 4 and 2. I will just write the polarities that we consider while finding out the minors. So for this matrix we take plus, minus, plus for this row. Then for the second row we go with minus, plus, minus, and for the third row we go with plus, minus and plus. Okay, so M11 is plus of determinant of, for this one we leave this column, this row, and this would be the entry that we go with 5 6 1 3, which is equal to, where M11 equals 5 3s are 15 minus 6 1s are 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. So therefore I got M11 to be equal to 9. So it is plus 9. M12 is minus of, what is minus of? This minus, and this is the element. So leave that column and that row. 2, 3, 1, 3 is the entry in this matrix. Through 2, 3, 1, 3. Therefore, M12 would be equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is plus 3. Plus 3 into this minus. So it is minus 3. This is M12. Coming to M13 with this element. So it is plus of determinant of, with this element you leave this column, this row, you will be left out with 2 5 3 6. 2 5 3 6, which is M13 would be equal to 6 2s are 12 minus 5 3s are 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3, and minus 3 multiplied by this plus symbol, so it is minus 3 1. Okay, so we found M11, M12, M13 in terms of the first row. Now we will go with the second row, and we will go with this 2, element 2. I will say negative of determinant of, because it is minus plus minus we are going to consider now. This 2, leave this column and this row. Then the element is 4 2 6 3. Okay, this 2, leave this row, this column. Then the left out element is 4 2 6 3, and you write that. So which is equal to, okay, M21 is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 6 2s are 12, which is 0. 0 into minus is 0 only. So M21 I got 0. Now let me go with M22 and M23. So M22 is with this 5 element 5, which is plus here. So plus of determinant of. So this 5 means you leave this column and this row. I will have 1 2 3 3. 1 2 3 3. So therefore M22 equals 3 1s are 3 minus 6 is minus 3 into plus is minus 3. Now coming to M23, which is this one. So therefore negative of this column, this row, 1 4 3 6, which is M23 will now be equal to 6 minus 12, which is minus 6, into minus is plus 6. Okay. Now we will go with finding out last 3 elements based on the third row, which is M31, then M32, then M33. Now M31 is plus of, okay, so plus of this 3 if you take that column and that row, so 4 2 5 1, where M31 will now be equal to what? 4 minus 10, which is minus 6. M32 is this 6, so minus of this column, this row, right? This column, this row, 1 2 2 1. So therefore M32 will be equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3 into minus is plus 3. Finally M33 is based on this, which is plus of this column, this row. Okay, this column, this row, it is 1 4 2 5. So which is equal to M33 equals 5 1s are 5 minus 4 2s are 8 is minus 3. Okay, so we got all this. Now what we'll do, we'll write the adjoint of A matrix. So which is adjoint of A will be equal to this M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. So therefore adjoint of A equals, list out all the matrix which we have written here. M11 is 9, minus 3 and minus 3, then 0, minus 3 and 6, then minus 6, 3 and minus 3. This is the adjoint of it. Therefore A inverse is equal to, A inverse equals adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, which is equal to 9 minus 3 minus 3 0 minus 3 6 minus 6 3 minus 3 divided by the determinant which we have found already earlier. We have found what is determinant, which is minus 9 divided by minus 9. So you are dividing all these elements by 9. So A inverse would be equal to 9 by minus 9 is minus 1, minus 3 by minus 9, which is 1 over 3, 3 3s are 9, so 1 over 3, minus 3 by minus 9 is again 1 over 3, 0 by 9 is 0, minus 3 by minus 9 is again 1 over 3, 6 by 9, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, because it is 6 by minus 9. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so it is minus 2 by 3. Again minus 6 by minus 9 is plus 2 by 3, 3 by minus 9 is minus 1 by 3, whereas minus 3 by 9 and minus 9 is 1 over 3. So this would be the inverse of a given matrix, and this is how we calculate the inverse of any given 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. Now coming to a 2 cross 2 matrix, for example, how to find out 2 cross 2 matrix. Now this is the 2 cross 2 matrix which we have. Again the formula is same. A inverse would be equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So therefore what we do here is, in finding out the A inverse of adjoint of A for the 2 cross 2 matrix, we will try to interchange the diagonal elements and change the polarity of these two elements. Okay, so adjoint of A would be equal to interchange the diagonal elements. So 4 and 1 is what I change, and change the polarity of these two elements, which becomes minus 2 and minus 3. This is the adjoint of A for any 2 cross 2 matrix. Now how do you find out determinant? It's quite simple, which is very simple. 4 into 1 is 4, minus 3 into 2 is 6. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now my job is to find out the A inverse for this. So what will I do? A inverse would be equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Therefore 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 divided by minus 2. So A inverse would be equal to 4 by minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 by minus 2 is 1, minus 3 by minus 2 is 3 by 2, and 1 by minus 2, which is minus 1 by 2. So this would be the inverse of a 2 cross 2 matrix that we find. Okay, finding inverse for 2 cross 2 is simple, but finding inverse for 3 cross 3 is what the method I have explained till now. Please rewind, and again if you couldn't understand, you can rewatch the video again to understand. Okay.